Hi everybody, what is up and welcome to my channel. My name is Amelia and today I'm so excited. Okay, so I got this bad boy in the mail today. This in this box is from Tarte Cosmetics and I actually won a giveaway. Basically Tarte posted this photo on their Instagram, and so I just had to tag two of my besties, which I did, and post the post on like my story, and then they would DM me, and they did. And I didn't think I was gonna win, but I won. So that's what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it right up. Okay, so I got the box open. I was literally struggling. Pull it out, and so there is bubble wrap because you know we gotta protect the palette. And here it is. Okay, so I got the Adeline Morin palette. On the back of the carton, there is a description of Adeline, and then it tells you about everything, the ingredients. So this is the front of the carton. There is lemons with some gold detailing. I think that that is really, really beautiful. It says Tarte High Performance Naturals, the Adeline Morin Eye and Cheek Palette. So this palette retails for $39. I'm gonna tell you if it's worth it. So, this is the palette. It is roughly larger than my head. It is right here, and so it has the same gold lemon detailing and the same pattern as the carton. So it's gonna be the same. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Oh my god, and even in the back there's a little, oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open this. Oh, I haven't even seen it yet, and I'm like, can you see it? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, let's just speak about how like this is so cute. There is white lemons and it says hashtag Adeline. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Before we begin swatching, that I'm so proud of Adeline. I love her so much, and yeah, let's start swatching. So Adele Angels on my finger. Okay, so it looks just like that. It's very pigmented for like a base shade. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into contour. Wow, it's a pretty color, like for like your transition area. Or wow, it's so freaking pigmented. Morin. Oh, I didn't like show you on my finger, but that's Mama Morin. Like, I love the name Beat Bop. Look at Beat Bop. Girls supporting girls. This is such a pretty yellow shade. Wow. Look at the swatch. Boss Lady. Look at, wow, it's so pretty. What? Okay, Adeline, I see you. Okay, Tarte, I see you. Then we have the blush shade called I Feel Beautiful, and I'm gonna go ahead and do that on my pinky. I didn't put that. Whoa, that is such a pretty blush shade. Attraction. I am attracted to this shade. Law of Attraction. Go into Red Eye Flight. Looks like a pretty like violet shade. Oh. Even like a soft red. It's really pretty. Let's go into Beautiful, Magical, Wonderful. Jesus. Let's go ahead and do Promise Ring. So this is the highlighter shade. I'm gonna do it with my pinky. I know she did not just go that hard on a highlighter shade. In the actual world is happening right now? So it's now time to go ham. Go ahead and prime our eyelids. I'm just taking the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer in the shade light beige, and I'm using the Jaclyn Hill x Morphe JH08 brush to stipple it into my lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Bow Shatia tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Adele Angels. So this is basically just a base kind of shade to put on. I'm just gonna put this all over my entire crease and lid. Go ahead, because I'm gonna kind of keep it neutral really quickly until I know exactly what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and take the shade Mama Morin on my JH37 brush. Go ahead and rub this into my crease. So now that Mama Morin is applied and winged out, I don't know what's wrong with me. Like, I'm like super hyper. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take my JH33 brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into some contour. I'm gonna go ahead and place this within my crease. My contour is on. I don't know why I said it like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Morphe M433 brush. It's literally with nothing on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and run it through my entire lid just to make sure everything is blended out and like even and stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Luxie, no, this is not the Luxie, this is the SL Miss Glam T35 Precise Blending Brush. Dip into that shade Beat Bop. It's so much fun to say like Beat Bop. Okay. And I'm going to use this to deepen out the outer corner. It's looking so good. Okay, so I'm going to go back in with that M433 brush with nothing on it except for like whatever came on the brush the last time we used it. And I'm going to go ahead and blend like just whatever we recently put down. And take my concealer, and I'm gonna go ahead, I said like I'm gonna go ahead twice, help me Jesus. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead, here you go again, I am going to go and cut my crease halfway. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm gonna take the SL Miss Glam eyeshadow brush in the number N15, and I'm going to dip that into Boss Lady. Take the slightest bit of Beat Bop, like literally the slightest bit, and I'm gonna blend the two together. I'm taking a really small packing brush. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Law of Attraction. Ooh, it kind of looks like an ombre. Okay, sis, I see you. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye really quickly off camera, and then we'll be right back to do the inner corner and brow highlight. We're gonna take the brush we were doing like our wing with and stuff like that. This is the JH33, and I'm gonna dip a little bit into contour, and I'm gonna take that wing and just bring it. Take a pencil brush. This is the JH38, and I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Promise Ring. And I'm gonna put this in my inner corner. Look at that. Like, obviously it's a little, wow. Put this in my brow too. Do you know what? let's put it on as highlight. A clean highlighter brush. This is the SL Miss Glam L36. And I'm gonna go ahead and dip this into Promise Ring. Right in here. Pick up a little bit of highlighter. Wow, oh my gosh. It looks so good. This is the end of my unboxing, swatching, and doing a look with the Adeline Morin Times Tarte palette. Overall, this palette just is a really good palette. I do recommend it to anybody who is experienced, in the middle, not experienced at all, to get their hands on it. It is a $39 palette, and I think for the amount you're getting 2 face shades, which these can even be mixed into the eye shades, and vice versa with the eye shades into face shades. You're getting a 9 eyeshadows, 2 face palette, like shadow, like shades. So I think it is really good for the price that, you know, their price point that they did. I just recommend. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new here, or you just aren't subscribed at all. You should be subscribed. And if you want to get notifications every time I post a video, which is every single Saturday, make sure to hit the bell notification so you get notified when my videos upload. Make sure to be following me on all my social medias. They'll be mentioned in the description box down below. And there's a super cute, fun pop-up little thing going on right here. That's it. I guess I will see you all next week. I love you all so much. Bye.